Don't believe the lie that 40s is old, okay? You think you know, but you have no idea. I just turned 40, and I know all of you in your 20s and 30s, you think like, 40, it's such a big, crazy number. But as with everything in life, you don't know until you get there. So for me, every big birthday, it felt like a deadline where everything had to be figured out. It was 30, then it was 40. But now that my big milestone birthday has passed, I realized, you know what? It's not scary. It's actually the best decade yet. Or that's what I'm choosing to believe. So today I'm going to share 40 lessons I've learned across money, mindset, relationships, and just random things that make life work. So we're going to do a lightning round, 10 lessons each. Stick around to the end to hear the most important life lessons. And if you've ever felt like you're behind or you're fighting that scarcity mindset every day, this video is for you. So let's get into it. Number 1, saving is for survival and investing is for building financial freedom. Hot take, you don't need to hire a financial advisor. Number 2, you're not poor. You're just not rich yet. Language is everything, so make sure to speak kindly to yourself. Number 3, make sure that you know what you're actually chasing. Everyone defines wealth in a different way, so make sure you define it for yourself and your life. Otherwise, you might wake up one day wondering what it was all for. Number 4, stop buying things to look or feel successful. Instead, buy things that make you money. Number 5, if you don't spend it, someone else will. So make sure every dollar that you earn has a purpose, whether it's paying down your debt or investing or paying for your life. Make sure it's assigned a task. Number 6, high earnings doesn't necessarily equal wealth. Number 7, money can't buy happiness. That's true, but you know what it can buy? Convenience and comfort. From someone who's been poor than not poor, I pick not poor. Number 8, build systems and automate everything. This saves you from decision fatigue and allows your money to work for you. Number 9, saving and being frugal got you to this point, but it won't get you to the next level. So you're going to have to transform and unlearn your past limiting money beliefs. Number 10, be selective and take advice from those who actually have what you want. If you don't have someone in your real life, find money mentors. It could be on YouTube or in books, people who have the life that you dream of. And if you found any of these things helpful so far, hit that like and subscribe and follow along on my journey and just learn from my mistakes. Now we're moving into our self-concept and mindset shift. Number 11, your self-concept creates your reality. If you're constantly telling yourself you're behind, you're going to stay there. Number 12, the way you treat yourself sets the bar and tone for everyone else. Number 13, feel your feelings. Label your feeling and move through it. Avoiding it only makes it worse. Number 14, forgive yourself for past mistakes. Shame only keeps us stuck, so show yourself some kindness. Number 15, stop saying I can't and shift to how can I? Number 16, be curious and always open to learning new things. Number 17, detachment is an underrated skill. Stop trying to control every outcome and take action. Let life unfold without having to control every single outcome. 18, stop looking for approval for your choices. Your life, your choices. Number 19, growth happens in the discomfort. Fail faster to learn faster. Number 20, you are not your bank account amount, your job title, or your mistakes. Moving on to relationships. Number 21, choose your partner wisely. Who you marry matters way more than you think when it comes to your future growth, your wealth building, and ambitions. Do you hear my kids?
Keep it down.
Number 22, you don't have to keep every friendship. It's okay to end a friendship that has run its course. 23, if someone calls you too much, maybe they're not enough. 24, boundaries are the highest form of self-love. 25, be the friend that you want for yourself. 26, trust your intuition. Learn to listen to that voice instead of silencing it. Number 27, be in competition with yourself and not others. Focus so hard on your goals that you don't even notice what other people are doing. 28, surround yourself with people who are chasing big dreams and taking action. This will help normalize wanting more and always challenging yourself to grow. Number 29, you can't make everyone happy. You are not responsible for other people's feelings or emotions or happiness. And number 30, what other people think of you has nothing to do with you, but everything to do with themselves. And the last 10 random life lessons. 31, if you're actively looking for joy, you'll find it. 32, without your health, what is money? So cherish your body and treat it right. 33, stop trying to fit in and instead focus on discovering what you really love. Number 34, sunblock every day, even on the cloudiest days. 35, most things aren't as urgent as it seems. Number 36, never go to bed angry. Number 37, protect your time as if it's the most valuable asset in the world. You can always make more money, but you can't get another 2 days back of your life. Number 38, saying no is a complete sentence. Number 39, there is no such thing as a right answer, only the answer that you choose to make right. And number 40, there is never a perfect time. And this applies to everything in life. Investing, having kids, quitting your job. I mean, there's just never going to be a perfect time for anything. If any of these resonated with you, please let me know in the comments below what struck you. And if you're over 40, I would love to hear what else do I need to be learning right now. And if you want to know what it's like to live your best life and fly on a semi-private jet, watch this next video that pops up here.